sky turns heavy, slate gray and low, and droplets trace rivers down the window pane slow. Streets shimmer silver, the world goes quiet and small. Puddles catch echoes of thunder's soft call. People hurry past with their collars turned high, but I stand at the glass and I don't mind the cry of the rain on the roof, like a lullaby sigh. It washes the dust from the ache in my sky. Rain, beautiful rain, you're painting the night, turning shadows to mirrors, reflecting soft light. You soak through my clothes, you soak through my skin, but I know, oh I know, the sun's coming in. It'll burn through the clouds, chase the gloom far away, turn tomorrow to gold, to make the sadness decay. Till then let it fall, let it drum on the glass. Every drop is a promise that the storm doesn't last.
By evening the thunder has wandered off west. The house smells of damp earth and clean cotton rest.
I slip under blankets,
The world feels brand new,
and there you are waiting, the best part of true.
I curl into your chest like the rain wants the ground. Your heartbeat a rhythm, the safest of sounds.
Your arms wrap around me, steady and warm, a shelter no weather could ever transform. Rain, beautiful rain, you can fall all you like, you can blur out the stars, you can swallow the night. But here in this bed, with your breath on my hair, I feel something deeper than storms in the air. The sun will come morning, it always comes through, but right now in the dark, love is me holding you. Your warmth against mine, your heartbeat, your sigh. This is the feeling, this is why. Let the rain keep its secrets,
Let the wind keep its song.
I've got everything real where your arms still belong.
No forecast can promise, no cloud can deny,
That the sun always rises,
but tonight love is why.
I don't mind getting wet, don't mind getting cold, when your body's my shelter and your heart's made of gold. Rain, beautiful rain, thank you for the gray, for reminding my soul that the light's on its way. But when the world's dripping and the night presses in, I just wanna snuggle, feel your arms pull me in. Hold me like forever could start here tonight. This warmth, this quiet, this feeling so right. Rain, beautiful rain, you brought me to him, and that's the most beautiful thing. Now I'm in his arms.